makes all my content? Okay, and you pay all my bills. Shut the frick up, Haru. Freaking shut up! That's it. I'm going. You know what? Use your heart. Let's see what you got in your message history. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got in your message history. No! What's your first message in my chat?
Chat and snail.
Oh, I'm alive! Yeah! What is it doing? Wait, Haru, why did you say I sound like a seagull? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? Okay. I looked in Haru's message history and they said Monka S behind you, and I had to look. I know it was from like 2 days ago, but I had to check. Why did you say I sound like a seagull? I do not sound like a seagull.